Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we analyze your cold emails to grow your business. In today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by your product management firm that will help you book more meetings. Let's check it out together. Today's email targeted product managers and leaders, and the goal was to book meetings with them. This campaign was sent to 82 leads and got a 61% open rate and a 2.5% reply rate. So let's see how we can boost those rates. Here's the email. Subject line: meet and greet, company name, do a loop. Hi, first name. Taking into consideration your leading position in the local product tech scene, I'd like to briefly introduce you to Do a Loop. We're the first Belgian consulting firm specializing in product management. We aim in boosting the local tech ecosystem by leveraging the evangelization of product management practices. We do have our own vision of product management. You could grab some of it on the following contents. 3 articles. I'd love to have the opportunity to expand Do a Loop's network and have a casual meet and greet chat with you. How would that sound? Best, Alexis. Let's analyze this cold email in detail. We'll start with the subject line. Meet and greet, company name, Do a Loop. You can remove the meet and greet part. It's not really necessary and might not be appropriate for this email. The rest is good. It's personalized. It suggests a potential collaboration. Hi, first name. Taking into consideration your leading position in the local product tech scene, I'd like to briefly introduce you to Do a Loop. It's not personalized, it's very generic. Taking into consideration your leading position in the local product tech scene is just a pretext to directly introduce your company. It sounds like you don't really care about their position. So write a real icebreaker. Write a personalized intro line for every prospect. We are the first Belgian consulting firm specializing in product management. We aim in boosting the local tech ecosystem by leveraging the evangelization of product management practices. We don't care what your missions are, your prospects want to know what's in it for them. You can use what you said and turn it into a way it's focused on what you bring to them. You can highlight a pain point or a goal. Then you list your free articles. Again, you just promote yourself. Why your prospect should care about your vision. You're just dropping some articles, but you don't make them relevant for them. Instead, focus on your prospect. Why are you sharing this with them? Why is it interesting for them? Pick one relevant article and tell them why you're sharing it with them. I'd love to have the opportunity to expand Do a Loop's network and have a casual meet and greet chat with you. How would that sound? Again, make it about your prospect. Make them excited to have a call with you, because in this case, it doesn't sound like a win-win situation. Overall, if we look at this email, I'd like to introduce you to Do a Loop. We are, we aim, we do. I'd love to expand Do a Loop's network. This whole email is focused on your company. There is zero personalization. It feels like a copy-paste, and I'm pretty sure you send the same email to everyone. Now, let's see how this email can be improved. As you mentioned, wanting to network with your prospects, I would focus on building a relationship first before trying to sell them anything. Here's the new version. Hi, first name, icebreaker. For example, I checked Delphine's profile on LinkedIn with a product manager, so I could write, I saw you've been working over 5 years for startups and major companies. What you said about user research and empowered team making a huge impact on product value is so true. I've also been working in the tech industry for years, and something I struggled with was pain point. This article on topic helped me a lot to objective. I thought I'd send it over as it might be helpful. I'd be happy to share more tips if you're interested. Best, Alexis. It works because you personalize your email with an icebreaker, you show you relate to the situation, you highlight a challenge they might be facing, you provide value. You don't ask for a call yet because you're focused on helping them first. But if you still want to ask for a call, you can say, I'd be happy to share more tips. Are you available, date at time to chat? If you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts too, it's simple. Join a Facebook community, the link is in the description, then leave a comment below. Bye!